Today, we will discuss Target credit card and debit card. The credit card entails the risk of debt and hefty interest, but it also gives greater payment flexibility and opportunity to establish credit. Although the debit card eliminates interest and provides easy access to your checking account, it does not help you establish credit and can result in overdraft fees. Now let's examine the main features of these two platforms. A credit line for the Target credit card. You borrow money from the lender, which is TD Bank USA, to make purchases, which you then pay back. You will be charged interest and have your credit limit impacted if you fail to pay the full amount owing by the deadline. Longer return period, the potential for credit history to be established when done properly. Shipping is free for 2 days on eligible products. Debit card. Your checking account is directly connected to it. Purchases take money out of your available balance. There is no borrowing or interest to pay. Can result in overdraft fees if your checking account isn't sufficiently funded. Provides less fraud protection than many credit cards. Doesn't contribute to credit building. Extended time frame for returns. Direct access to cash for checking. All in all, the integration of both cards into Target Circle TM program enables cardholders to take advantage of more Target Circle TM perks. The primary similarity is that both cards are intended to provide extended return policies and discounts to Target customers. Both of them serve to improve the Target shopping experience.